This is Mr. Edwards, and I'm now going to show you how to graph using creategraph.com. So simply go to Creategraph, and when you get here, the graph we'll use, most commonly is a line graph. But the problem with line graphs, they only work if you're going to have one line, basically. If you're going to add more lines, they have to all have the same values on the x-axis. So as long as your x-axis is the same for all of them, then you can put as many lines as you want on this particular graph. All you have to do is add a group. You can make it 2 lines, make it 3 lines, as many lines as you want. But this is only changing the y values. So the x must stay constant the entire time. You can label the x whatever you want. If it's time, fine, but then you got to keep it constant for all of your other values. So unfortunately, a lot of times we don't have, our x is actually changing. So we don't want to do a line graph. We will actually go ahead and do an xy plot graph. Now the XY scatter graph looks a lot different when you get to the data part. So for the data part, say you want 3 groups, you can see that each individual point has its own x and y value. So point 1, what is its x and y? X and y, x and y, x and y, x and y, all the way down. So you would give it your value for the x, maybe times 0 seconds, and then it went a distance of 0 seconds for the first line. Let's say the first line in 1 second went 5 centimeters. In the second second, it went 10 centimeters. In the third second, it went 15 centimeters. So on and so forth for line 1. Then you go to the next one. What are the x and y values for the second part? Now, I've already went ahead and put in some data for one that we just did. So you can see here, I already have data already plugged into this one. So you can see it takes a while. But I gave the graph a title, constant velocity. The x-axis is time, and the y-axis is distance. I had to do it this way because your time values are not the same. So your x-axis has different variables. And that's why I had to choose this particular type of graph. So when you look down at the bottom, I have then put in the value for x, my time of 2 seconds, it went 10 centimeters. 4 seconds, 20. In the second trial, when the car was going a little bit faster, in 1 second it went 10, 2 seconds it went 20, 3 seconds it went 30. And the last one, when it went fast, it only took 0.5 seconds to go 10, 1 second to go 20, 1.5 seconds to go 30. So you enter the individual values for the x and y at each individual point. Then when you're done with that, if you hit preview, you can actually see here you've got your 3 lines. You've got your slow car, you've got your medium car, and you've got your fast car. All 3 of which went 100 centimeters. They just took different amounts of time to get there. They are labeled slow, medium, and fast. The axis is labeled time, distance is on the side, and when you're done, all you do is hit print and save. You could either print it, you can download it to your computer to keep it on your computer file, or you can email it and keep it as an HTML. Basically, it'll save it on Creategraph, and you can view it from any computer anywhere you want. So that is how you're going to graph using creategraph.com.